Hello guys, what's up? How are you doing today? Okay, what to carry me come here now? This Nigerian news where we say I just see how Peter Obi they take the embarrass Tinubu. They tell Tinubu say this is not what you promised Nigeria. Say the way this Nigerian economy they think they go down. Say you no good at all. Say the poor masses they are suffering, they are hungry. Say this is not what you promised Nigeria. Say he has good intention to rule Nigeria, to make Nigeria a better place. He say when you talk say if you say become the president of Nigeria, say everybody go be chop make I chop. You know wetin that one mean now? Chop make I chop. You understand? Say things go dey, money go dey. This dollar wey dey high, you no go high too much like that. Fuel scarcity no go dey. You understand? So now wetin he talk? So he dey talk a lot of things wey show say this man dey really dey embarrass this our president o. Come dey talk how food dey take dey for other states. You understand?